Hello students, welcome back to online classes. I hope you all had completed the holiday homework which I had given you. So today we will start new chapter. Chapter name is squares and square roots. So first question is you have to find the value of this minus 1 whole 7 upon 11 whole power 3. So in such questions what you have to do? First of all, question is minus 1 whole 7 upon 11 whole power 3. First of all, we will change this mixed fraction into improper. 11 1 ja 11. 11 plus 7 will be 18 upon 11. Minus sign is also there. Whole power 3. Now what you have to do? You have to write it 3 times. Minus 18 upon 11 into minus 18 upon 11 into minus 18 upon 11. 3 times we have to write. Now you have to check the sign. Minus multiply minus will be plus. Plus into minus will be minus. Upon. Under this upon in the denominator 11 into 11 into 11 is coming. So 11 into 11 is 121. That 121 into 11 when we will do, answer will be 1331. In the same way, we have to multiply 18 3 times. What do you have to do? 18 into 18 into 18. 3 times we have to multiply 18. 18 multiply 18 multiply 18. Answer will be 5832. So like this you have to do such questions. Now see one more part, fourth part. Fourth part is 0.08 whole power 3. Power is 3, so what we have to do? We have to multiply it 3 times. 0.08 into 0.08 into 0.08. Now after that what do you have to do? 8 8 ja 64. 64 into 8 will be 512. Now you have to count decimals. Before how many digit decimal is coming? Before 2 digit here, before 2 digit and before 2 digit. So total before 6 digits we have to put the decimal. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So before 6 digit we have to put point and we will add here one more 0. So this is your final answer. So like this you have to do all the parts of question number first. Now see next question. Question number 2. Find the square root of 60025 60,025 by a prime factorization method. We have to use prime factorization method. So first of all what you have to do? First of all you will find prime factor of 60,025. So prime factor we have to take, so we will take prime numbers here. This is not divisible by 2, so we will not take 2. Then it is divisible by 5. So first of all we will divide it with 5. 5 1 ja 5. Remainder 1. 5 2 ja 10. 0. Then one more 0. 5 5 ja 25. Now again we have to divide it with 5. 5 2 ja 10. Remainder 2. 5 4 ja 20. 0 and 1. Now it is not divisible by 5. So we have to check it with 7. Whether it is divisible by 7 or not. So 7 3 ja 21. Remainder 3. 3 and 0 will be 30. 7 4 ja 28. Remainder 2. 2 and 1 will be 21. 7 3 ja 21. Again we will divide it with 7. 7 4 ja 28. Remainder 6. 6 and 3 will be 63. 7 9 ja 63. Again we will divide it with 7. 7 7 ja 49. Then 7 1 ja 7. Now after doing this prime factor, what you have to do? You have to find the square root of 60,025. So you have to put square root 60,025 is equal to one more square root we will use. Inside this square root you have to write all the digits which are coming here. 5 multiply 5 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. Now next step will be 2 pairs we will make here. These 5 is coming 2 times. So when we will remove this square root sign, we have to write it 1 time only. Now we will not put square root sign. Now we will not use the square root sign. What we will do? When we will remove the square root, these two numbers we have to write single time. This one also single time and this one also single time. Now we will multiply these numbers. 7 7 ja 49. 49 into 5. Answer is 245. So like this you have to do such questions in which you have to find square root by prime factorization method. Now come to question number 3. Find the square root by division method. We have to use here division method. So for division method, what you have to do? See this fourth part. First of all, you have to draw this line. Lines you have to draw like this. Now inside these line, what you have to write? You have to write this number. 55,225. Now what you have to do? From the end, you have to make pairs of 2 number. You have to underline 2 numbers. 2 numbers. Again we will underline 2 number. Now 2 numbers are not there. Only 1 number is remaining. So we will underline 1 only. Now next step, what you have to do? Same number you have to write here also and here also. Same number. Suppose if I will write here 1, so here also I have to write here 1, and we have to multiply it. 1 1 ja 1. Like this we have to do. Same number. So here we will take 2 2 ja 4. We will not take 3 3 ja, because 3 3 ja 9 will be there and 9 will become greater than 5. So we will not take 3. So 2 2 ja 4. Now what you have to do? You have to subtract these two numbers. 5 minus 4 will be 1. Now we will bring this 52 down. Underline is coming under both the number. So what you have to do? You have to take both the number downside. We will not take single number. Both are underlined, so we have to take them together. 52. Now these two we have to add here also. We will add these two again. 2 plus 2 will become 4. As we had done here, 2 we had taken here also and here also. In the same way, we will take one number here, and that same number we have to take here also. So suppose if I will take here 2, so there also I have to take 2. So let me check. What is this? This is 42. 42 2 ja. Answer will be 84. 84 is smaller than 152. Let me check for 43 also. If I will take here 3, then here also I have to take 3. So this will become 43. 43 3 ja 129. If we will take here 4, then there also we have to take 4. So this will become 44 4 ja 176. 44 4 ja 176. But here it is 152. So 176 is greater than 152. So we will not take 44. We will take 43. So what you have to do? You have to take here 3 and there also you have to take 3. 43 3 ja 129. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. 12 minus 9 3. 4 minus 2 will be 2. Now this number we have to bring down. Both are underlined, so we have to take them together. 25. Now what will be the next step? As these two we had added here, same in the same way you have to do here also. These 3 we have to add here. So this will become 46. Now one number you have to write here and that same number we have to take here also. This is 2325. So what you have to do? Suppose if I will take here 5, then that means I have to take here also 5. So 465 5 ja 465 5 ja 2325. That means this 5 is correct. So 465 5 ja 2325. Now we will subtract these two numbers and remainder will be 0. Now remainder is 0. That means this square root is over. Now what you have to do? You have to write here answer. Square root of 55,225 is equal to 235. So like this we have to do such questions. Now see one more part. Part number 6. Sixth part is you have to find the square root by division method. So first of all we have to draw a line like this. Inside this we will fill 4,25,140. 4. Now what will be the next step? From the end we have to underline two numbers. These two together, these two will come together, and these two will come together. Now same number we have to take here also and here also. 6 6 ja 36. 7 7 ja if I will take, answer will be 49, and 49 is greater, so we will not take. So 6 6 ja 36. Now we will subtract these two number. On subtracting we will get 6. This 51 we have to bring down. 51, both are underlined, so we have to write them together. Now here it is, we had written 6. This 6 we have to add. 6 plus 6 will become 12. Now we have to write one number here, and that same number we have to take here also. Suppose if I will take here 1, this is 12. If I will take 5, then there also I have to take 5. So 1 2 5, then there also I have to take 5. So 125 5 ja 625. So 625 is coming nearby this 651. So we will take this 5 only. So 125 5 ja 625. Now what you have to do? You have to subtract these two number. On subtracting these two number, we will get 26. Now these two numbers are underlined. We will bring them downside. Both are underlined, so we have to take them together. So which number we have taken here? We have taken 5. Here also and there also. So what you have to do? This 5 you have to add. As we had added this 6 here, in the same way we will add this 5 here also. So this will become 130. 125 plus 5 will become 130. Now one number we have to take here also, and that same number we have to write there also. In order to make 2604, what you have to do? You have to take here 2. If we will take here 2, then there also we have to take 2. So this will become 1302 multiplied with this 2. Answer will be 2604. That means this 2 is correct. So 1302 into 2 will be 2604, and on subtracting we will get remainder 0. So final answer you have to write here, square root of 4,25,104 is 652. So like this you have to do this question number 3rd. Now see question number 4th. Fourth question, second part. Find the square root of 0.002025. He did not tell in the question which method you have to use. So you can use any method. Either you can use prime factor method or division method. Both are correct. So let's solve with prime factor method. Prime factor is easy. So what you have to do? First of all, you remove this point. After the point, how many digits are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are coming. So in the denominator, you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 lakh you have to take. After the point, 6 digits are there. So we will take 60. Now what you have to do? These 3 0 do not have any value. In the beginning, zeros are coming. So these 0 do not have any value. That means question is 2025 upon 1 and then 60. Now what you have to do? Prime factor we will find. We will find the prime factor of 2025. When we will find the prime factor of 2025, first of all we will divide it with 3. 3 6 ja 18. Remainder 2. 2 and 2 will be 22. So 3 7 ja 21. Remainder 1. 1 and 5 will be 15. 3 5 ja 15. Again we will divide it with 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 2 ja 6. 3 5 ja 15. Again we will divide it with 3. So this will become 3 7 ja 21. 3 5 ja 3 2 ja 6. 3 5 ja 15. Now we will divide it with 5. 5 5 ja 25. Then 5 1 ja 5. So we have find the prime factor of 2025. So question is we have to find the square root. So what you have to do? First of all you have to take here square root sign. Then there also square root we will take. In next step also we will take square root. So instead of 2025 we will take these numbers. What is coming? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now in the denominator what is coming? 10 lakh is coming. So what you have to do? How many zeros are there? 6 zeros are there. So you can divide it into two parts. We can write like this: 1000 into 1000. When we will multiply it, answer will be this only. So here are 6 zeros. So what we have done? 3 0 we have taken here and 3 0 we have taken here. Now square root sign is there. We will take two numbers together. These two together, these two together, and these two together. When we will remove the square root sign, we have to write them single time. This one we have to write single time. This one also we have to write single time, and this one we have to write single time. In the denominator also, 2 thousands are coming. We have to write one only. Now final answer is 3 3 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45 upon 1000. Because of this 1000, we will put here decimal. 3 0 are coming. So 5 4. Before 3 digits, we have to take point. 1 2. Third digit is not there, so we will take 0, then point. And before point also you have to take 0. So this is your final answer. So like this you have to do this part number 2nd. Now see next part number 6. Question is, you have to find the square root. Method, no method is given, so we will take prime factor method. 6th part, square root of 1.024133. So first of all we have to remove point. After the point, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits are coming. So when we will remove this point, under this number in the denominator we have to take 6 0. Now next step, we will find the prime factor of we will find here 10244144. 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. 1 is not divisible, so we will take them together. So here we have to put 0. 2 7 ja 14, then 2 2 ja 2 2 ja 4, 1 remainder, 1 and 1 11, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, 0. Then again we will divide it with 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 0. Both the numbers we have to take together, so we have to take 1 0, 2 9 ja 8. Now this number is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3 also. So after 3, which prime number is coming? 5. At the end 9 is coming, so it is not divisible by 5. So we will try it with 7. 7 9 ja 63. Remainder 1, 1 and 0 10. 7 1 ja 7. Remainder 3, 3 and 0 30. 7 4 ja 28. Remainder 2, 2 and 9 29. 29 is not coming in a table of 7, so that means this is not divisible by 7. So we will try it with some other prime number. After 7, which prime number is coming? 11. So we will try it with 11. 11 5 ja 55. Remainder 9. 9 and 0 will be 90. 11 8 ja 88. Remainder 2. 2 and 0 20. 11 1 ja 11. Remainder 9. That 9 with 9 will become 99. 11 9 ja 99. Again we will divide it with 11. 11 5 ja 55. 3 remainder, 3 and 1 31. 11 2 ja 22. Then remainder 9. 9 and 9 will become 99. 11 9 ja. Now again we will try it with 11. 11 4 ja 44. 11 4 ja 44. On subtracting it, we will get remainder 8. 8 and 9 89. 89 is not coming in a table of 11. So what you have to do? You have to take another number. After 11, which prime number is coming? 13. So we will try it with 13. 13 4 ja 52. 9 is remaining and 9 is not divisible by 13. So we will take some other number. So after 13, which prime number is coming? 17. It is not divisible by 17 also. Then we will check with another prime number, 19. It is not divisible by 19 also. It will get divisible by 23. So 23 ja. When we will multiply 23 with 23, answer will be 529. Again we will divide it with 23. 23 1 ja 23. So now we had find the prime factor. We will write here all the numbers. 2, how many times it is coming? 4 times. Then 11 2 times. Then 23 2 times. Upon. In the upon 10 lakh is coming. How many 0 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0 are there. So we will divide it into two parts. 3 0 we will take here 1000 into 1000. Now when we will remove this square root sign, double numbers we have to write one time. What you have to do? You have to write them one time. 2 into 2 into 11 into 23 upon 1000. So on multiplying these numbers, 11 to ja 22, 22 to ja 44. Then what we will do? 44 into 23. So answer will be 1012. Divide with 1000. When we will multiply these numbers, answer will be 1012 upon 1000. Because of this 1000, 30 are coming. We will take decimal. 1012. Before 3 digit, we will put decimal because 30 are coming. 1, 2, 3. So this is your final answer of this part number 6. So like this you have to do all the remaining part of question number 4. Now come to question number 5. First part. Find the square root. Method is not given, so we will use prime factor method. First part is we have to find the square root of 169 upon 484. So first of all what you have to do? You have to find the prime factor of 169. 169 is coming in a table of 13 only. 13 1 ja 13. Remainder 3 and 9 will be 39. 13 3 ja 39. 13 1 ja 13. So instead of 169 we will write 13 multiply 30. Now we have to find the prime factor of 484. So prime factor of 484 we will take 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. Now 121 is coming in a table of 11. 11 1 ja 11. Remainder 1. 1 and 11 will be 11. So 11 1 ja 11. 11 1 ja 11. Now we have to write 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. Now these two numbers we have to take single time. We will remove this square root. 13 upon 2 into 11. One time we have to write. Now 13 upon 2 into 11 is 22. So this is your final answer of this part number first. Now next part is fourth part, 0.0009. So first of all square root we will put. We have to find the square root. Now we will remove point. On removing the point we have to write in the denominator how many digits are there after point? 4. So we have to take here 10,000. 40 we will take. Now these 0 do not have any value. So what is here? 9. 9 means 3 multiply 3. What we can write here? 9 is 3 into 3. 40 are there. So we will divide it into two parts. 100 into 100. Now these double number and these double number, when we will remove square root, we have to write them one time. So 3 upon 100. 3 upon 100. 2 0 are coming. So we have to put the decimal before 2 digits. So 3. Before 3, no digit is coming. We will take 1 0. So 2 digits are there now. 1 2. Point we will put here. So this is your final answer. So like this you have to do this question number 5. Now come to question number 6. Find the square root correct to 2 decimal place. We have to write the square root of 2 up to 2 decimal place. So answer we have to write in decimal. So in this we cannot be able to use prime factor method. We have to use division method. So what you have to do? First of all, we will draw lines. Inside this we have to fill 2. So in this decimal is not there. So since decimal is not there, we have to take here decimal after 2. 2 we can write as 2.0, meaning will remain same. As many 0 you will add, answer will remain unaffected. That means meaning of this is 2 only. We can add as many 0 as we want at the end of the decimal. Meaning will remain same. So what you have to do? Here we have to underline two numbers. But how here decimal is there? How you have to underline two numbers? If decimal will not be there, suppose I had written 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. We have to find the square root of this. In this decimal is not there. So we have to underline from the last two numbers. But here decimal is coming, so we will not use this format. From the end we will not underline. So how we will underline it? From the point we have to start. We have to start from the point. From the point two numbers we have to underline on right side. From the point we have to underline two numbers on the left side also. So this is the point, two numbers, these two, these two, these two. This one extra we will erase it. Now on the left side also we have to underline two numbers. But here two numbers are not there, only one digit is coming. So we will underline this digit only, single digit we will underline. Now this single number is there, 2. Same number we have to write here also and here also. 1, 1 ja 1. Now we will subtract these two numbers. On subtracting these two, answer will be 1. Now point is coming, so in the answer also you have to put point. Now after that 00 are there, both are underlined. When we will bring it down, we have to write them together. Now this one we have to add here. 1 plus 1 will become 2. Now same number I have to write here also and here also. If I will write here 4, then there also I have to write 4. So this will become 24 4 ja. On multiplying it, answer will be 96. So that means I had written here correctly, 24 4 ja 96. Now we will subtract these two. On subtracting, remainder will be 4. Now next step is these two 0 we will bring down. Now as I had written here 1, this one I had added also. So in the same way we will do here also. But which number I had written here? Only 4 I had written. 1 plus 1 is 2. But this 4 I had written here also and there also. So this 4 I have to add. 24 plus 4 will be 28. Now same number we have to write here also and here also. If I will write here 1, then there also I have to write 1. If I will write 2, then there also I have to write 2. So 281 1 ja 281. If I will take 282, then there also I have to take 2. On multiplying, answer will be 564. But 564 is greater than 400, so we will not take 2. 281 1 ja 281. Now we will subtract these two numbers. 10 minus 1 9. 9 minus 8 1 1. Now 24 plus 4 is 28. This one I had written here also and there also. So this one I have to add again, as I had added this 4, as I had added this 1. And in the same way I will add this one also. So 281 plus 1 will be 282. Now one number I have to write here also and there also. So if I will take here 4, then there also I have to write 4. Let me check whether it is correct or not. 2824 multiplied with this 4. Answer is 11,296. 11,296. These 0 we will bring down. This is 11,900 and my answer is coming 11,296. That means I had done correctly. This is smaller than this. 11296. If I will take here 5, then there also I have to take 5. But answer will be greater than this. That's why I am not writing 5. So in question we will subtract now first. First of all we will subtract. 10 minus 6 will be 4. 9 minus 9 0. 8 minus 2 6. So this is the remainder. In question he said that we have to write up to 2 decimal place. But I had written up to 3 decimal place. Why? Because we have to round off. We have to round off it. So answer is square root 2 is equal to 1.414. Now when we will round off it, so this 4 we have to check whether it is greater than 5 or not. If it is greater than 5 or 5 itself, then we have to round off it. This one will get increased. That means 1.42 will be there if it is greater than 5. But it is not greater than 5. So what we have to do? We will write it 1.41 only, and this is your final answer. So like this you have to do this question number 6, first part. Now see next part, sixth part. Find the square root of 99. So same method we will use. First of all we will draw line, then we will fill here 99. Then after that, after the 99 we have to put point, then 0 we will add. Now in order to underline it, we will not start with end, as I told you in the first part. We have to start from this point. On the right hand side of the point, two numbers. On the left hand side also two numbers. Now same number you have to write here also and there also. 9 9 ja 81. If you will take 10, 10 ja 100. 100 will be greater than 99, so we will not take 10. 9 9 ja 81. Now we will subtract these two. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. Point is coming, so in the answer also we will put point. These 0 we will bring down. Now the rule is, the number which we will write here, that number we have to add. So 9 plus 9 will become 18. Now same number we have to take here also and there also. This is 1800. If I will take here 5, then there also I have to write 5. So 185 5 ja, let me check what is this. 185 5 ja 925. It is very small. So what we will do? We will increase it. We will not take 5. We will take, let's take 8. Then there also we will take 8. So this will become 188 8 ja 1504. If we will take 9, this will become 189. Then there also have to take 9. 9 9 ja 81. 9 8 ja 72 and 8 80. 9 1 ja 9. 9 plus 8. So this will become 1701. So this is okay. This is 1800 and here it is 1701. So we will take 9. 189. 9 ja 1701. Now we will subtract these two numbers. On subtracting it, 10 minus 1 will be 9, 9, 99. These two 0 we will take here. The rule is, the number which we will write here, we have to add it. So this will become 9 plus 9, 18, 198. Now same number you have to write there also and there also. So if I will write 4, then there also I have to write 4. So this will become 1984 into 4. So this will become 7936. If I will take 5, 1 here, if I will take 1985, then there also I have to take 5. So this will become 9925. So here it is 9900, but our answer is coming 9925. So we will not take here 5, we will take here 4 only. So 1984 4 ja 7936. Now we will subtract these two numbers. So on subtracting these two, we will get 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 3 will be 6, 8, 18 minus 9, 9, then 8 minus 7, 1. Now what will be the next step? These 0 we will bring down. These 0 we will bring down. Now this 4 we have to add here. The last number we have to add as we had added here. So we will add it. 4 plus 4 will be 8. 8, 9. Now same number we have to take here also and here also. So if I will take 1, 9, 8, 8, 6, then there also I have to take 6. So when we will multiply it, 8 6 are 48, 48, 53, 9 6 54. 54 plus 5 59. So this will become 1,19,316 and it is 1,96,000. So it is a small. We will increase it. 1988. Last time we have taken 6. Now we will take 7. Then there also we have to take 7. So on multiplying it, 7 7 49 4. 8 7 56 60. 8 7 56 62. 9 7 63 plus 6 69. 7 1 7 plus 6 30. This is also smaller. Now we will increase more. 1988. Last time we had taken here 7. Now we will take 8. Then again we will take 8. So on multiplying it, 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is 64. 70. 8 8 is 64. 64 plus 7 71. 9 8 is 72 plus 7 79. 8 1 is 8 plus 7 15. So answer is 159104. This is also smaller. We will increase more. 1988. Last time I had taken 8. Now I will take 9. 9 9 is 81. 9 8 is 72. 72 plus 8 80. 9 8 is 72. 72 plus 8 80. 9 9 is 81 plus 8 89. 9 1 is 9. 9 plus 8 17. So this is correct. 1988 9. Then there also we will take 9. Answer will be 179001. Now we will subtract these two. On subtracting, 10 minus 1 9. 9 3. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 will be 7. Then 1. So this is the remainder. Now he asked we have to write the answer up to 2 decimal place. That means after the point only 2 digit we have to take. So our answer is coming square root of 99 is 9.4949. We have to write up to here. Next digit we will check. Up to 2 decimal place we have to write, but we have to find up to 3. Now third one we will check. It is greater than 5. So here we will increase it. Answer will be 9.95. As this number is greater than 5, so we will increase in the previous digit. One number we will increase. So this will become 9.95. So like this you have to do this question number 6. So now rest of the questions we will do later on. So your homework is you have to do all the remaining parts up to question number 6.